People think mental health problems are always visible. They think suffering looks dramatic, but sometimes it looks like a student quietly staring at a wall. Sometimes it sounds like someone laughing in public, then crying alone at night. And sometimes the people who need the help most are the ones who say, "Okay lang ako."
Bakit parang physically pagod na?
Pagod tayo rin naman. Opting. Sige, sagot.
Dada pa lang yan, parang pansin. Koy, tumahimik ka rin yan sa likod.
Ano?
Yung hinihingi nyo.
Joke lang naman.
Hindi lahat ng bagay ginagawang biro ka. Okay lang.
The problem with pain is that people compare it. Kapag hindi visible, iniisip nilang hindi totoo.
Ethan, pakibasa nga yung sagot. Sir, hindi ko po nagawa. Hindi mo nagawa? You are the most responsible student. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Hindi puro pinindaylan lang.
Sometimes, people think motivation is the answer. But what if the person is already fighting just to get through the day?
Oy, Ethan. Parang di ka okay. No, I know the difference between someone's heart and someone's slowly giving up. Stop drawing. Stop answering message. Hindi ka na rin tumitingin kapag kinakausap ng mga tao.
Nakakapawang message.
Nakakapagod ang ano.
Sa buhay na parang wala sa pag tumarawan ay loop, parang kulang pa rin.
Kaya yan, dito lang kami ng mga best friend mo. Anak, baka kasi ko hindi ka na kumakain.
Busog po ko.
Lagi ka na nasa kwarto, hindi ka na nakikipag-usap.
Pagod lang po ko.
Anak, lahat tayo pagod, hindi pwedeng sumuko agad.
Hindi niyo po naiintindihan.
Then, explain it to me.
Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta parang yung mabigat dito. Parang araw-araw akong lumulubog. At kahit anong tulog ko, pagod pa rin.
Akala ko stress na.
Yun nga po eh. Kahit isiping stress lang,
Yeah. Narinig kita kanina. Tuloy ka ba ba?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro matagal na. Sanay lang ako lang. Kasi nakakaiyak. People treat me differently. Kapag alam nila hindi ka okay, yung sabi.
Kuya, hindi ka nakakahiya.
Pero pakiramdam ko, burden ako. Ang dami kong hindi nagagawa. Nahihirapan akong bumangon. Minsan, gusto nga lang mawala kahit isang saglit.
Kuya, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isa. Hindi ko naman kami palagi para gabayan ka eh. Basta magsabi ka lang sa akin.
Hoy, sir. Kumusta? Okay lang. Naalala mo dati? Ikaw yung pinakamadaldal sa ating magkakaibigan. Oo nga, no? Eh, bakit ngayon kahit present ka, hindi namin maramdaman yung presensya mo? Ang tahimik mo? Tell me the truth. Pagod na ako rin. Hindi ko nakilala sarili ko. Minsan gumigising ako, tapos naisip ko agad kung paano ko malalabas yung araw. Ganun na ba talaga katigas? Oo, at mas nakakapagod kasi kailangan ko magpanggap na okay ako.
Bakit hindi ka nagsasabi? Nandito naman kami. Hindi kami makinig sa mga problema mo.
Kasi sanayan tao sa aking version ko. Kapag nakita nilang mahina ka, iba agad ang tingin nila sa'yo.
Tol, mahina. Pagod ka lang. And there's a difference between pagod and mahina.
Takot ako, baka walang nakaintindi.
Hindi ko man maintindihan lahat. Pero ito nga ako sa'yo, makikinig ako. Hindi mo kailangan explain perfectly. Maintindihan ko yun.
Ikaw ba si Mr. Ethan? Mr. Ethan, napagtatuan ko sa iyong kaibigan na kakaiba ka daw ngayon. You're showing signs of depression. What's happening lately?
Minsan ko napagpagod ako, naiintindihan ko sa sarili.
Okay. So, mental health really is something really serious. So, sometimes people disregard it as something hindi important. Pero, it deserves the same seriousness as physical illnesses.
Pero bakit ang ganun?
Because people believe that pain can only be there if they can see it. Sabi nga nila, pag nagkasugat ka, non-concerned sila. Pero pag hindi ka rin nakikita yung sugat mo, like for example, sa kamot mo, isipin na rin na, i-inarte ka lang. So, ang ma-advise ko sa'yo is that you should talk to your friends. Tell them about the struggle, your strugglings, tapos kausapin mo sila as much as possible. Enjoy life. Kasi kung ikintinin mo lang yan, likely mababawag ka to swallow ka ng iyong depression. So I really suggest na mag-usap ka sa iyong friends, okay? And talk to me kung kailangan mo ng mga advices, okay?
What makes this an ethical issue? This becomes an ethical issue because people's words and actions affect someone's emotional well-being. Bullying, dismissing feelings, and ignoring mental health can deeply harm a person. We have a moral responsibility to treat people with dignity and compassion. Who are affected?
The person suffering is affected first. Pero pati pamilya nahihirapan. Minsan gusto namin tumulong pero hindi namin alam kung paano. Friends are affected too. Minsan katabi mo lang pala araw-araw. Kung taong hindi nawawala.
What values are involved?
Empathy, respect, and compassion. Ang pagiging maingat sa mga salita.
Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang laban ng tao.
What ethical principles apply? Virtue ethics teaches compassion and understanding. Justice and fairness reminds us that mental struggling individuals deserves equal respect, not ridicule. Utilitarianism supports actions that promote overall well-being. And moral standards remind us that mocking pain is never morally right. Resolution.
As a teacher, you should not only assist students, we also will that's what they do with it.
Listening is important.
Sometimes, seeing someone is making you hurt.
Seeking help is not a sign of weakness, and healing is not an overnight process. But healing is possible when people stop judging.
I used to think asking for help meant I failed, but I realized surviving alone was what was destroying me. Healing starts when someone finally say, I need help.
Be careful with your words. Some people are fighting battles they know nothing about.
aalis at mananatili. Itiyak ang tadhana, kaya't maaring magkamali.